What's up, T-Dog Nation? It's time for another brand new Monster Truck event. This is the first ever Monster Truck Relay Race Tournament. We have 8 groups of Spin Master and 8 groups of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Let's see which team of Spin Master and which team of Hot Wheels will be going to the championship round and punch their ticket to the Tournament of Kings. Our first 2 teams, we have Team Earthshaker versus Team Gravedigger. Let's kick off this Monster Truck Relay Race Tournament with a fantastic race. Go. Oh, no chance. Oh. Oh, no chance. And Team Earthshaker is the first team going to round number 2. Up next, we got Team Zombie versus Team Bakugan Dragonoid. Let's go. And Team Zombie will be taking on Team Earthshaker in the next round. Up next, we got Team Monster Mount Husky versus Team Max D. And Team Monster Mahusky is going to round 2. Up next, Team Horsepower versus Team Blue Thunder. Alright, let's see who takes this. But that lane that Horsepower is in, the last 3 teams that were in that lane have won their race. So this lane might have the advantage. Go. Nope. Go. No. And Team Blue Thunder is going to the semifinals of part 1 of our Monster Truck Relay Race Tournament. Up next, we have Team Earthshaker versus Team Zombie. Who's going to the championship race for part 1? Wow. Wow. Team Zombie is going to the championship race. Who is going to be facing Team Zombie in the championship race? It's either going to be Team Monster Mahusky or Team Blue Thunder. Go. Gonna be Blue Thunder. Go. Gonna be Blue Thunder. Team Blue Thunder is going to the championship race against Team Zombie. The championship race for part 1 of our relay race tournament is here. Team Zombie versus Team Blue Thunder. The first team to win 2 goes to the championship race in part 2. First race. First race. Team Blue Thunder has their first win. If they take this, it's all over. And it is over. And it is. There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Team Blue Thunder has made it to the championship race in part 2. Alright, T-Dog Nation, I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever Monster Truck Relay Race tournament. And coming up next is part 2, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you could please do me a favor, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload. Also, I do have a TikTok, and I will be posting that down in the first link down in the description. So, with that being said, T-Dog is out of here.